Exercise 3, question number 11. Find the matrix X so that X into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4 and 6. Now first of all, we have to find the matrix X. For the calculation of matrix X, here multiplication is required, therefore we have to assume all the elements of matrix X. Now, what is the order of matrix X? Therefore, we have to assume how much elements or how much variables are there. We require how much variables. For the variables, we have to first of all find the order of matrix X. How can we obtain the order of matrix X? Suppose the order of matrix X will M by N. Now, I am considering this matrix as matrix A of order 2 by 3, which is equals to order of matrix. I am considering this matrix as B of order 2 by 3. Now see here. If multiplication of these two possible and the matrix B will obtain, therefore the number of columns of matrix X and number of rows of matrix A must be same. Therefore n equals to 2. Okay, now the second, the multiplication of these two matrix, which is X into A, having the order m by 3, and which is equals to matrix B, therefore the order of matrix B and order of matrix XA must be equal. Therefore, comparing the order of matrix, we are obtaining that m equals to 2 here. Here n is equals to 2, m is equals to 2. Therefore, order of matrix X will be 2 by 2. Is it clear? Now, therefore, we have to suppose the matrix X, which is equals to 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, 4 variables are required: A, B, C, and D. And we have to calculate these 4 variables by use of multiplication or equality of matrices property. Okay, first of all, consider X into this one. Put the value of matrix X, A, B, C, D into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equals to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4 and 6. This is simple. Now, multiply these two matrices. We can obtain A plus 4B. Second, 2A plus 5B. Third, 3A plus 6. Same as multiplication with second row, C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, 3C plus 6D is equals to this matrix minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4 and 6. Now, by equality of these two matrices, we can write the equations A plus 4B equals to minus 7. This is equation number 1. 2A plus 5A equals to minus 8. Equation number 2. 3A plus 6B equals to minus 9. Equation number 3. C plus 4D equals to 2. Equation number 4. 2C plus 5D equals to 4. Equation number 5. And 3C plus 6D, which is equals to 6. Equation number 6. Now we have to calculate A, B and C and D by use of these 6 equations. Now, you can calculate A and B by use of first 3 equations. For calculation of A and B, there are 3 equations. We require only 2 equations. And if I am considering first and second equation, you can also consider second and third equation. You can also consider first and third equation. You can solve it easily. I am considering first and second equation for the calculation of A and B, and fourth and fifth equation for the calculation of C and D. Okay? Therefore, from the equation 1 and 2, write down the equation 1 and 2 here. A plus 4B equals to minus 7, which is equation 1. 2A plus 5A equals to minus 8, equation number 2. Now, for elimination of A, we have to multiply the equation 1 by 2. Therefore, we are getting 2a plus 8b equals to minus 14, equation 1 multiplied by 2. Second equation as it is, 2a plus 5b equals to minus 8. Now, subtract these two equations, minus and plus sign, reverse sign. Now, subtract 2a minus 2a, which is equals to 0. 8b minus 5b, which is equals to 3b. Minus 14 minus 8, but plus 8 is there because we have to calculate subtraction. Therefore, minus 14 plus 8, which is equals to minus 6. Therefore, we are obtaining b equals to minus 2. Now, put the value of b in any of the equation. That I am putting the value of b in equation number 1. Therefore, I am getting a plus 4 into b. B means minus 2, which is equals to minus 7. A minus 8 equals to minus 7. Minus 8 on the right hand side, taking minus 8 on the right hand side, we are obtaining a equals to 1. A and b are there. Now, from the use of equation number 4 and 5, we can calculate c and d. Here, equation number 4 is c plus 4d equals to 2, and equation 5 is 2c plus 5d equals to 4. For the elimination of c, we have to multiply equation 4 by 2 and equation 5 by 1 as it is. Now, subtracting these two equations, we are getting 0, 8d minus 5d, which is equals to 3d, 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. Therefore, the value of d, which is equals to 0. Now, put the value of d equals to 0 in equation number 4. Any of the equation you can put this value. Equation number 4, I am putting the value of d equals to 0. C plus 4 into d means 0 equals to 2. Now, this term will be 0. Therefore, answer C equals to 2. We want matrix X, not the value of A, B, C and D. This is the not over of the question. The answer is this. You have to write the matrix. Okay. If you are not writing this matrix, or you cannot write this, if you not write this matrix, then the marks will be cut 1 or half marks as the examiner want. Okay. Therefore, the right matrix X equals to A, B, C, D equals to 1, minus 2, 2 and 0. This is our final answer. Okay. Now, the important MCQ, exercise 3, question number 50 is in form of MCQ. If matrix A is square matrix such that A square equals to A, then I plus A whole cube minus 7A equal to, we have to calculate this equals to what? The options are given. Option A, option B, I minus A, option C, I, and option D, 3A. Now, see here, the given is I plus A whole cube minus 7A. I plus A whole cube minus 7. And we know that A plus B whole cube, A plus B whole cube equals to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. By use of this factorization, by use of this formula, we can put the value of A equals to I matrix, value of B equals to A matrix. We are getting A cube, that means I cube, plus B cube, that means A cube, plus 3IA into I plus A, and minus 7A is there. Now, I cube, we know that identity matrix I square equals to also I cube, which is equals to I. Therefore, we can write I cube equals to I plus A cube means A square into A plus 3IA. What I into A, that means A. We can write 3A into I plus A minus 7A. Now, what is A square? A square equals to A. Therefore, we are getting I plus A into A plus, multiply this one, 3AI plus 3A into A. 3AI plus 3A into A minus 7A. Now a into a, which is equals to a square plus 3ai, therefore 3a plus 3a square minus 7a. Now we know that a square equals to a, therefore we can write I plus a plus 3a plus 3a square equals to a, that means 3a minus 7a. A plus 3a plus 3a, 7a minus 7a, I plus 0 matrix, and we know that I plus 0 matrix, which is equals to I. Therefore our right option is option number C. Okay.